It's 10:49. I was wrong on my last trade. Price came up very quickly, stopped me out just above this high. So just reassessing things, looking at the price action again, and we did see quite a bit of buying pressure come off this retest here. I wasn't expecting that, but we got taken out. On the close here, when the price retraced off the 1 minute back to this level of prior resistance, which should have been support, took a long entry off of that with a stop above the low of where this push started. Looking for targets in a higher time frame. So assuming we do get past this near-term level of resistance, first and foremost we have this level right here, and this is a lower time frame chart. If we go to hourly, it'll be a little bit easier to see. Let's zoom out. You can see the swing point comes all the way through here. There will be some sellers that show up there. The next level is going to be this level right here. Go ahead and move this up a little bit, and then beyond that we're looking at this entire cluster as a supply zone. So the way I'm going to work this order is, once we do approach this level, I'll move to break even. If we see continued momentum to the upside, then I'll kind of gauge it based on what I'm seeing on lower time frames. If obviously we're going to have some pullbacks and some ebbs and flows, but I'm going to be pretty tight on this because it's counter trend. Even though we're coming off some major levels of support, the uptrend isn't yet well established. So, and the reason I say that is because we don't have any higher swing lows, higher swing highs, or at least any clean ones yet. You can see that the most recent swing point would have been this one, and the swing low, and now we just managed to breach that. So now we have a higher higher swing low, but it's still very it's still very minute. If you compare it to the swing points here, you can see they're very, very deep, very well established, and very obvious here. We're looking at like almost like a micro swing point, you could say, I guess. So anyways, until this trend is well established, I'm going to be very strict on the stops and keep things very tight.